Example 5. I want to solve A equaling L times W for W. So consider the example we did before with the area of a rectangle and desks. So in that formula I have 630 for my area, equaling 28 for the length times the width. I'm going to use this formula to model how I solve the general formula. So when I solved the formula on the right, I divided both sides by 28. Well, I'll do the same for the one on the left. I'll divide both sides by the length, which is L. On the right, I end up with W equaling 22.5 because I can simplify 630 over 28. On the right, I can't do that. I'll end up with W equaling A over L. So when I solve A equaling LW for W, I get W equaling A divided by L. I want to try this again for P equaling 2L plus 2W. I want to solve this for W. So in one of my previous examples, we had 100 equaling 75 plus 2W. So I'll use this to model how I do the general form. So the first thing I did was I subtracted the length from, or twice the length from both sides. So I ended up with 25 equaling 2W. I'll do the same on the right. I'll subtract the 2L from both sides because my goal is to get the 2W by itself. So I end up on the right with P minus 2L because unlike on the left where I can take 100 minus 75 and get 25, when I take P minus 2L, these aren't like terms, so I'm just left with P minus 2L. And this would be equal to 2W. Then on the right, I divide both sides by 2, which leaves me with W equaling 12.5 because I can simplify that. On the right, I won't be able to simplify it. I'll divide both sides by 2. I'll end up with W equaling P minus 2L over 2. So when I solve for W, I get P minus 2L over 2. So the equation 2x minus 5y equaling 10 is a formula because it is an equation that contains two or more variables. In example 7, we will solve this equation for y. So I want to write the equation 2x minus 5y equaling 10 in slope-intercept form, or in the form y equaling mx plus b. So I take 2x minus 5y equaling 10. I want to get this y by itself, so I want to isolate this. If I want to isolate the negative 5y, I need to subtract 2x from both sides. So I would be left on the left-hand side with minus 5y, and on the right-hand side, since I can't combine this 10 and the minus 2x, I would have minus 2x plus 10. And I write the 2x first because in slope-intercept form my x appears first. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. So I get y is equal to negative 2x plus 10 over negative 5. And I can distribute this negative 5 through the addition. So I would end up with y equaling negative 2x over negative 5 plus 10 over negative 5, which will leave me with y equaling 2 over 5x minus 2. So in slope-intercept form, I have y equaling 2 over 5x minus 2.